Hello friends, today I will share with you, rice water for extreme hair growth, how to make rice water hair growth rinse. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, because never miss another update. First, I need rice. Rice water contains inositol, a carbohydrate that helps strengthen elasticity and reduce surface friction. Check out here what are the best rice water benefits for hair. 1. Improves hair growth. Nothing better than rice water to decrease hair fall and aid hair growth. The amino acids present in rice water, in particular, help in the regeneration of hair and aid faster growth of your hair. Also, rice water contains vitamins B, C, and E, which further help in hair growth. 7. The best way to use rice water to grow hair is to rinse your hair with it after a washing. Follow the process at least twice a week, and you will surely see the results. Second, we need onion. Onion juice is a known remedy for hair health, specifically for hair loss. It's been used for decades as a home treatment. Considering using onion juice for your own hair care? Read up on the remedy to make sure it will benefit your particular hair health and care routine. Onion juice may be effective for hair loss in some instances. Third, we need lemon. Lemons contain antioxidants, minerals such as calcium, magnesium and potassium, and vitamins including C and B6, which are all important for healthy hair. Known as an aid to increase hair growth, its use can stimulate the follicles and scalp, reduce dry skin and remove excess oils. Last, we need spray bottle. How to use. You won't need to change your washing schedule around your rice water rinse, simply use it after shampooing and conditioning, whether that's once a day or once a week. When applying the rice water, try to really focus in on your scalp and work your way out. Let it sit for 2 to 5 minutes, and then rinse. You'll probably notice immediately how strong and thick your hair feels. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe now.